Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how Google Ads work. Before we dive into setting up our Google account and launching our campaign, I want to quickly explain how Google Ads actually work, just so you have a clear understanding of the system behind it. So what exactly does Google do? At its core, Google is an information sorting machine. It organizes all the content available online and helps users find what they're looking for through its search engine. For example, if I go to Google and type in build a website, Google instantly pulls up a list of websites it believes are the most relevant to that search. These results are based on what Google's algorithm thinks matches your intent best. So at the very top of the results page, you'll usually see a few listings marked with a small sponsored label. These are paid ads. So businesses have paid to show up for that keyword through Google Ads. Below those, you will also see organic results. These are websites that appear naturally without paying, often because they've spent a lot of time and effort optimizing their content for search engines. Now, as advertisers, our goal is to skip the long game of search engine optimization and get in front of potential customers immediately by paying to appear for specific keywords. When we run Google Ads, we choose which keywords we want our ads to show up for, and we only pay when someone actually clicks on our ad. That is what is called pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. So for example, we spent $100 on 100 clicks. If those clicks bring in $200 worth of business, we have made a profit, and that's exactly what we aim for with a well-optimized Google Ads campaign. And that is how Google Ads basically work. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.